Understanding property assessments and fair market value. Here at the Real Estate Division of Fairfax County, our goal is to ensure that all properties have an assessment that is fair, equitable, and at fair market value. We also strive to provide our county residents with unsurpassed customer service and transparent assessments. As part of the Department of Tax Administration, we've been certified by the International Association of Assessing Officers, a professional organization that promotes innovation and excellence in property appraisal, tax policy, and administration. Real property assessments form the basis for distributing the tax burden that supports essential community services like schools, public safety, infrastructure, and more. How we determine property values. Each year, our appraisal staff conducts a detailed review of property sales in every neighborhood to determine fair market values as of January 1st. Fair market value is best determined by using comparable sales data. This process includes validating sales. Appraisers review sales daily to ensure that they represent arm's-length transactions. They analyze available data to verify that the sale was not, among other things, between family members or transpired under duress. Various resources are used during this process, including recorded deeds, the multiple listing service, and contacting real estate agents. Updating property details. Appraisers will review and update property characteristics such as square footage, condition, the number of bathrooms, and features like garages and porches by inspecting the property, reviewing building permits, and reaching out to listing or selling agents. Applying market trends. Once property characteristics have been updated and the circumstances of the sale have been verified, sales prices are then used to assign values to similar properties in a fair and consistent manner. Ensuring uniformity. By conducting statistical analysis, appraisers confirm that the assessed values meet professional standards of equity and fairness. So, what is a comparable sale? Comparable sales are a key tool in determining fair property values. To identify the best comparisons for your property, consider these factors. Location. Look for sales in the same assessment neighborhood or subdivision with similar geographic characteristics. Size and features. Compare properties with similar square footage, age, construction quality, physical condition, and lot size. Sale date. Focus on sales within the past 18 months, as recent transactions better reflect current market trends. Condition. Consider the state of the property. For example, remodeled homes typically sell for more than homes in need of repair or updates. By following these principles, we aim to provide fair, accurate, and equitable assessments for every property in the community. With that being said, we take very seriously our appeals process. If after reviewing comparable sales and assessments in your neighborhood, you believe that your assessment is not uniform or inaccurate, please reach out to us to discuss the issue.